Welcome to this brief video on Prodigy SPMI Exerciser and Protocol Decoder. A typical mobile system consists of multiple sensors. As the number of sensors on a smartphone is increasing at an exponential rate, the need for managing more logical pins and power consumption increases adversely. Therefore, a standardized sensor communication interface and advanced power management technique are required. MIPI SPMI is a two-wire serial interface that connects the power controller of a system-on-chip processor system with one or more power management integrated circuits voltage regulation system. This bus architecture ensures the problem of multiple pins is addressed effectively along with the key need for smart power management needs. Prodigy SPMI Exerciser and Protocol Decoder is a SPMI emulation and debugging tool that helps a design engineer to test their SPMI designs. Prodigy SPMI Exerciser and Protocol Decoder is capable of emulating master or request capable slaves, enabling designers to test their duties. Optional protocol implementation compliance statement in SPMI Exerciser and Protocol Decoder ensures design complies with SPMI 1.0 or 2.0 specification. This brief demonstration shows how a design engineer can use our tool. The connection is as shown here, and once you launch the software, it helps to ensure the connection is tested and the protocol version is selected. On successful connection, the master and slave nodes are added based on the requirement. In this case, we have one master and two slaves. The nodes can also be configured with different voltages, which gives flexibility for testing. The SPMI bus network can be reviewed to ensure that the nodes are added perfectly. Write the script to generate different SPMI traffic generation sequences. Alternatively, user can use GUI to generate SPMI traffic packets. Powerful scripting capability allows user to generate complex use case scenarios. Saved script can be loaded from the file. To start the activity, click on the Start Capture and run the script, which is in Exerciser section of the script. Send system commands to configure the bus and enable master bus arbitration to assign bus ownership. Custom SPMI traffic sequences are sent using the script tool. Simple SPMI traffic can be generated using GUI. Register 0 write command is sent to the address slave using the GUI in this case. The GUI also allows the user to inject errors. The decoded results are listed and waveform is plotted on the result and plot view panel respectively. The Exerciser and Protocol Decoder handles the arbitration requests. Slave arbitration request is emulated using the script tool. The same is listed in the decoded result panel and waveform is generated. Auto, simple, and advanced trigger capabilities are supported for flexibility of monitoring multiple trigger conditions. The Exerciser and Protocol Analyzer supports optional protocol implementation compliance statement testing. PIX ensures design teams can be assured of their designs to be as per SPMI specifications by performing in-house testing, thereby speeding of time to market of their products. Reports can be generated for documentation purposes. Prodigy SPMI Exerciser and Protocol Decoder is a revolutionary tool that addresses your SPMI debugging issues, which helps the design engineer to design innovative products by deploying advanced power management techniques. For more details, click the link on the description.